Most of my workers are from Togo and Ghana. Nigerians are they are interested in making money, but they will not be ready to learn and learn well and become a professional in that aspect. So most of my workers are from Togo, Ghana, Benin Republic. When they handle your POP, when they handle your wall screening, when they handle the block setting and painting, honestly, you will think you are in Europe or USA. So it's sometimes just casual work. I use the Northerners to dig foundation. For other things, I use this Togolese and Benin Republic, and they are very fantastic. I treat them well. In fact, I can tell you that somehow they earn more than us when it comes to comparing what, because it's on contract basis, you know, those who does casual work or daily wages, they are Nigerians, you know, maybe when we want to cast decking, you bring the mala them, you know, pay them a daily payment of approximately 10,000 naira or thereabouts, you know, and they do it. But when it comes to other works, to make your building look fantastic and admirable, you use foreigners. That's what we do.